Video ni. Post lang good.
Dili, yung video ko. Pareha forma. Pareha forma, awa.
Yang apa tuh?
Ang next sana.
Ay, anak.
This 170 combined with plus 6 axis. Sila ba rin cylinder 4? Plus 6 sphere combined with minus 6 cylinder axis. Ano minus 6 man? Kaya kita yun si 6, ano sa 0, you have to place minus 6 para makakuha mo 0. Yes. Diba? This one. So, if you try to analyze, we're just trying to apply the power diagram. Okay? Power diagram na to i-apply again. Okay. Now, can we get one more sheet of paper? Is dislocated. Asa man siya mo dislocate? Mo dislocate siya sa gitawag na to nga kabantay ko sa benso, no? Yan natin mga circle-circle. That's what we call as the Prism cage. We call as the Prism cage. For every circle, that's equivalent to one prism. How do we know that our eyeglasses has a prism? Very easy. You check the thickest part sa inyong antipara. Tanaw niyo yung antipara, ang lalaking ibang dilagay siya na center. So obviously it's a prism. Okay? But once you replace it in the lensometer, the Mars will be dislocated. Say for example, naa-adiri ang Mars. Example na naa-adiri ang Mars. Question, na-ay prism? Wala. Wala. Why? Because the Mars is located at the center. But what if the Mars is located here? Naadiri na ang Mars. Wala siya sa center. And you are checking the, say for example, the right eye. Nakuha siya nasal. So therefore, naa siya 1, 2, 3 prism bases. Okay? That's it. If the Mars is dislocated, then therefore, it means that there is prism incorporated in the eyeglasses. Okay? So, pangutanan ni, pila ka mo prism. Bisan duha lang ka prism, kira na po. No, ang inyo ilenso sa prism. Okay, so again, ino na to is plus 2. Second reading, ino na to plano. Okay. Obviously, kung 19 ano siya? Hindi kailangan siya 80. Third reading, sa pula niya, third reading, ino na to kay, fourth reading, ito word, kani siya, naadadawin? Yeah, kani siya, 3 and 4. Okay, nasa sa 3 and 4th reading, ito na to, let me see. Wala, di balik lagi plus 2. Possible, ito mo na sa segment. Question now, pila ang atong distance na grade? So, pila yung distance na grade? So we have, very good, plus 2 sphere combined with minus Diba? Next. Tingnan ron ang atong total year. Total year. Plus 4 nga pa, di ba? Ano di ba plus 2? Ito ko, mas taas pa ng 4. Plus 4, sphere combined with minus 2, di ba? Cylinder axis, 90. Tingnan mo lang atong add karon. Add is total year minus the distance. So, add is 2. Body grado karon sa atong okay?
Soju.
By Renan or what's the code? Operan. Or
Opera.
by other suggestion. At, ayun po na Edge. Na-edge lang ko.
Tawa ang ilay.
Wala, naibora ko na curve akong nails mo.
Ang mga opto sa likod. Hindi na nagtangking. Ate, pati mo.
Ako na. Hindi, kasi na. Ay. Baka na
Sabi ba?